All right, what's going on, you guys? Today we are talking about the DJI Mavic Air 2 and why I strongly believe that this drone is still worth buying as 2024 comes to an end and we enter 2025. This drone right now is over 4 years old. It was released in April of 2020 to be exact. And just a few months ago, I was doing all the research I could to decide if this drone was still worth buying. And I did evidently buy it, and I've used it now for 3 months. And I love a lot of things about this drone, so I wanted to give some people that may be in that same situation some confidence as to why this drone is still worth buying. So that's what we'll be doing in today's video, is discussing the number one reason why the DJI Mavic Air 2 is still worth buying today. All right, you guys, we're gonna get straight to the point here and talk about why I'm so confident that this drone, the DJI Mavic Air 2, is still worth buying right now. And that is the price point. This drone essentially has all of the features that newer models do have, just older versions of them. This drone has been compared to the Mini 4 Pro, just larger and older. So the number one reason why this thing is still worth buying today is its availability in aftermarket reselling situations for you to get this drone at a good price. I'm going to show you guys a little later on in the video exactly where I bought this drone and what price you can expect. But you can get this drone used, and I got the Fly More combo, and you'll be able to get the Fly More combo for this drone for a little over $500. Now, I don't want to sit here and act like that's not very much money, because it is quite a bit of money. But if you're serious about getting into drones and drone photography, then you need to be prepared to put forth a decent amount of money at the beginning to get some equipment, even if it's just one drone. And if you're looking at, the most comparable models feature-wise to this drone are the Mini 3 Pro and Mini 4 Pro, both of which, at least the Mini 3 Pro is the less expensive of the two, and that's starting at about $600 for just the drone and remote and battery, not the Fly More combo. So this thing is way more affordable than the newer Mini models and has the same features. Now, you are going to be working with older versions of the features, older operating systems, older transmission systems, so the use is not quite as efficient. But I really do love this drone. You get active track, manual and parallel mode. You get obstacle avoidance, front, back, and downward, so no side. So there are places where the newer models excel, of course, like side obstacle sensing. But for the most part, you're going to get obstacle sensing, you get active track, you get point of interest mode, you get 8K hyperlapse, you get pretty high compatibility with third-party apps like Drone Link or Drone Deploy. This drone really has all the features. It's just several years old, and that is why people don't seem to be very excited about buying a used one. But again, the number one reason why this drone is still worth buying today is the fact that it is readily available for a very competitive price from aftermarket resellers. All right, you guys, just to give you a quick look at where I bought this drone from and what kind of resellers you can look for this drone. This particular reseller is called MBP. They resell, certified camera equipment, all sorts of camera equipment. Of course, we're looking at drones here, but these are all the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combos they have available. They also have many different options for just the drone and battery and remote, not the Fly More combo, but you can see here, lots of options, 12 to be exact. I think 12 available in the price range, $469 to $529. And you can see they're all right around in that range. And then it gets even better. So if you choose one that you like, you even get some information about how many battery charge cycles it's gone through, and everything that's included in the kit, and some things that are left out. So this particular website is very good at giving you actual images of the specific product you're looking at and giving you all the information about it. So definitely look for this drone available on websites like this. And just for entertainment, I went ahead and looked on DJI's website for the availability of the Mini 3 Pro, one of the comparable models to the Mavic Air 2. And just for the drone and remote and battery, $600. Then of course it goes up from there if you want to add the other controller or the Fly More combo. But there's also availability issues. These newer drones are harder to find sometimes, and the older ones like the Mavic Air 2 are readily available. So definitely one of the big reasons why I think this drone is still worth buying. All right, y'all, that's it for the video today. I hope this was helpful if you're considering getting into drone photography or just picking up another drone and you were thinking about the DJI Mavic Air 2. I really do think if you choose this drone, you will not be disappointed because, you know, the whole point of this video was to say the main reason is that it's relatively affordable as far as drones go, and the features are definitely going to allow you to increase your productivity with your drone work. So if you're considering getting the Mavic Air 2, I absolutely recommend you do. Guys, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks, y'all.